Hi, I'm Lisa Sturman. I'm the principal at Radcliff Elementary. We have had an amazing open house. The energy has been through the roof. We cannot wait for this school year to start. It is going to be the best ever.
Hello, my name is Angelica Rodriguez. We're here at the open house at Radcliff Elementary School. I'm the new office manager here. I'm very excited to be here. Right now, we're just, as the parents come in, we're like showing them the map and giving them information of where to go to and how to get there and their classroom and teacher homeroom.
Hi, my name's Sabrina Milliner, and I'm here representing the 21st Century program. I'm the coordinator here at Radcliff Elementary, and we do a lot of really fun stuff. You can see some of the fun stuff we did over the summer. We do a lot of really awesome things during the school year to help kiddos get where they need to be academically. We're super fortunate to have this program put on. It's grant funded through the state, so we love it. We have so much fun, and we're happy to be doing it again this year.
Now, where can people find out when things are happening and that type of thing? Where can they go to get that information?
Sure. So if you would go to the Radcliff Elementary website, there should be a page there. But if not, if you can't find it, feel free to call us here at the school and they'll get you to me.
Hello, this is Miss Lou from School Age Child Care in Radcliff. Our schedule is Monday to Friday, and we are accepting from kindergarten to 5th grade, and currently we are full right now, but then if you are interested, don't hesitate to come with us or in central office. Again, this is an after-school program in Radcliff.
Hi, I'm Meredith Howe. I'm the speech therapist here at Radcliff. Shelly Mead and I are here doing car tags tonight for open house. We assign each student a car tag number, and the parents also have those car tags so that when they pull up in the afternoon, we know that it's safe for that student to go with that adult that's picking them up.
Hi, I'm Mr. Lucky. I'm excited to meet all my first graders and their parents. We're excited for a great year. Let's go Trojans!
Woo-hoo!
Good afternoon. We are here from Radcliff Elementary School. I'm Lisa Regazio, the assistant principal, and this is Greg Buchanan, our first coordinator. And we are so excited to start the 23-24 school year and to get all of our babies back in the building.
Looking forward to seeing all the kids again. Can't wait to see all these smiley, happy faces. Got a lot of good things coming this year. We're going to do our best to take care of our kids and teach them all that we can.
All right, I'm with the Healthy Kids Clinic. We have a nurse that stays here in the school system at the schools all day from the first thing in the morning till last in the afternoon. We have forms that'll be going home for the parents to fill out if your child has any type of health problems, anything they need medications, anything like that throughout the day, we can give those. If they're sick, can't get into their normal doctor, we're able to see them here at the schools and save them from being able to miss or from parents having to miss work.
I'm looking forward to making new friends.